With the recent announcement of ChatGPT plugins being released to all users, I thought it would be a good time to show you how you can activate these plugins and how you can start installing them and using them in everyday life. Hello, it's Marty Englander from brainyautomations.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get started with ChatGPT plugins. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can become an expert using ChatGPT. First, you're going to want to go to chat.openai.com and then either sign up or log in with your existing details. Once you're inside ChatGPT, you should see these options. And if you don't, it means you're not a ChatGPT Plus user and you'll have to go to My Plan and then take out the subscription for $20 a month to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. So let's start things off by going to our settings area and clicking setting. If we go to beta features, you should see these options here. You might have more options, you might have less options, but you should definitely have plugins options at this point in time. We're going to toggle both of these options on, and that should activate the plugins. So now when we go to GPT-4, you'll see this little drop down and you can select which option you want. Let's start off with the browsing feature. The browsing feature is really simple. If you've been using ChatGPT up until this point, the data it's been collecting or presenting to you only goes up to year 2021. With the browsing feature enabled, it will now bring you into the current era where it's showing data from this year, from today, for example. So once that's definitely enabled by the box, inside the input field, you can say something on the lines of, show me a trending topic about ChatGPT today. And what it's doing is it's actually browsing the news sources or whatever sources it thinks is a good place to find trending content. It's clicking on the links, it's actually browsing the website, and it's going to return the best information for me. This is quite a slow process though, because it is actually browsing the internet like a human being would, and it's collecting the info for us. And true to its word, current trending topic right now is in fact the fact that ChatGPT just launched an iOS app for Apple users, and now it's displaying that information for me, just like what we asked. And if we go to Google, you can actually see that this is trending news. OpenAI launches an official ChatGPT app for iOS. So that's pretty accurate. Let's go ahead and click the new chat button and select the plugins. Now you'll see this little drop down here. And if we scroll to the bottom, you won't have any of these plugins right now. But if we scroll to the bottom, you'll see plugin store, and give this around 30 seconds to a minute to load. And now this will display all of the plugins which are currently available with ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and do all plugins, and now you've got a whole bunch of plugins that you can choose to install. I'm going to go ahead and do Tasty Recipes, which is a recipe idea meal planner sort of app, and now I'm going to close the application. I'm going to select this drop down again. I'm just going to deselect any plugins that I already have selected, and I'm going to keep Tasty Recipes as selected. And to start using the plugins, you basically just do what you've been doing every single day, which is find a healthy recipe for a cake. As you can see, because we've got the plugin Tasty Recipes connected, it's searching Tasty Recipes for the best recipe for a cake. And you're probably not used to this with ChatGPT, but it can now actually show images and direct links. And when you click on a link, it takes you to the actual page, and it's not an old link or a link that doesn't work. It's real information. Now, once you've started a thread or a chat with a plugin, you will need to start a new chat in order to change the plugin or select more plugins. So go over to new chat, and now we're going to deselect this plugin and go back to the plugin store. Let's say you want to find a course, so we can install the edX plugin. So we click install. Once that's installed, close the pop-up, double check it's been selected, and now you just say something along the lines of find me a course about data science. It's detected which plugin we've got activated, and now it's starting to search edX for the best courses. And now it's listing all of the courses it's found about data science. So if we go ahead and select this one, it's got a course, and because it's connected to real-time data, these links are always going to work for us. Now, I did say at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can become a ChatGPT Pro, and I'd like to invite you to brainyautomations.com, which is my own community. It's a brand new community where I teach business owners and individuals how to automate things online, as well as just do things themselves, and they get the ongoing support by me when you're active in the community. Inside the courses section, head over to ChatGPT Breakthrough, and this is video training broken down to show you exactly how to get started with ChatGPT and how to use it for everything across the board. And also, every member of Brainy Automations gets access to my Done For You AI writing tool, where you can jump into any of these Done For You templates without worrying about the best prompts to use, because it's using my frameworks that I've gathered for the past 2 years. If you do have any questions, go ahead and drop them below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.